Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the hippocampus schizophrenia classification using machine learning. So user have to first enter the age, gender, marital status, fatigue, slowing, pain, hygiene and the movement. Then click on submit button. So it predict elevated phoniness. Okay, so this is the hippocampus segmentation. We have to upload the file or MRI images. Let's select this image and click on open and upload button. Okay, so segment. This is the hippocampus segmentation. Now EEG schizophrenia classification. Let's select any file from dataset. Okay, let's select this particular file. Click on open and upload file. Okay, it will predict and give the output like prediction healthy. So this is the complete project. Project user interface developed using Django framework and Python programming used. Thank you friend for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.